powder from Born Pretty. Unfortunately, they never write numbers or names, and I don't remember the name or the kind of the powder. But it looks like this. It's a green one. So I applied my no wipe. It's kind of the same like a no wipe. And now I am applying the powder. So this polish is really old. I think it's in one of my first videos, one of my first hauls. I bought this polish like soon to be 1.5 years. So normally I would make 2 coats with this polish, but because I'm gonna put the other one over, I'm just gonna make 1 coat. It's a really beautiful one. So I will let this dry, and then I'll apply this magnetic topper. If you enjoyed the video, remember to leave a thumbs up. I upload my own designs once a week. Once a week I paint my nails and I upload it to my channel. You're very welcome to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So I think this nail polish is super beautiful. It's kind of a different color than usual. And I was wondering if it glows in the dark. Because it has that kind of color.
It's no sweat.